Okay, so here we're looking at 2011, question 11C, and this time it came up as part B. So outline the chemical processes that give rise to the occurrence of ozone gas in the stratosphere. So again here, either balanced equations or the words is enough. So breaking up of oxygen molecule into two oxygen free radicals by ultraviolet light. And then the reaction of oxygen free radical with another oxygen molecule. Okay, now here you're not given separate marks for ultraviolet light, but in some cases that would be worth 3. So we have O2 here in the presence of UV light going to 2 oxygen free radicals, and then that oxygen free radicals combining with oxygen to form ozone. Okay, you're asked just there simply to outline, so words or equations is enough there. Next then you're asked, why is ozone gas not produced in this way in the lower atmosphere? Reason why is because there is a lack of ultraviolet light. Okay. Next then you're asked, the destruction of the ozone layer is a matter of environmental concern, and non-metal oxide and chlorine atoms from CFCs are considered to be mainly responsible for the destruction of ozone. You're asked, what are CFC molecules? They are chlorofluorocarbons. Part 2. You're asked, why do CFC molecules have long residence times in the lower atmosphere? They are unreactive. Okay, in the lower atmosphere. Give a major use of CFCs before their production was restricted in 1987. So they were used in refrigerants. Okay, or as aerosols. Okay, and then name the non-metallic oxide that is associated with ozone destruction in the stratosphere. Okay, so the non-metallic oxide. Okay, so some non-metallic oxide and CFCs. And the other thing that's responsible that we looked at, that is responsible, and you're asked to name, is nitrogen oxide. Remember, nitrogen is a non-metal. It's on the right-hand side of the periodic table. And you're asked to give a source of this oxide. And the biggest place where we see this is lightning, and that's a natural occurrence. Okay, nitrogen oxide would also be produced in car engines. Okay, now that's why we have our catalytic converters installed in our cars, but it wouldn't reduce. It reduces it, but it wouldn't remove it all. 6 years we've done that, 5 years we haven't.